Good afternoon from Dollywood. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
On today's adventure, we're doing something that Brie has wanted to do for a very long time. What I think is one of the most unique take-home gifts that you can get inside Dollywood. Brie, what are we doing?
We are going up to the glass blown booth and we're gonna make our own glass blown pumpkin. I'm so excited. I've been waiting a couple years at least to do this because you actually have to come into the park to sign up. You can't sign up online, so it can sell out quite fast, and every time we've tried to do it, it's sold out. But we're hoping today it's not.
So we'll show you exactly where you go in Dollywood, how much it costs, and all the details if this is something you want to do in the future. So without further ado, let the adventure begin. So we're starting out in the front of the park. We're going to take an immediate right. As Brie was saying, this does sell out. So if it's something you want to do, I would have someone from your group do the exact path that we're doing as soon as you can in the morning to get a time slot, because they will fill up quick. That would apply if you're trying to do a pumpkin during their harvest festival, or you're trying to make a Christmas ornament during the Christmas festival here at Dollywood. You're gonna wanna move as quickly as you can back to the blown glass ornament station back here. So there are actually two ways to get to where we're going. We can go up this hill, or we could also get to it if we went through Market Square. I think this is our best direct route to get to where we're going. So as we pass by the Celebrity Theater going up this hill, we're looking for the Mountain Blown Glass store right up here on the left. We have arrived to the Mountain Blown Glass location here inside Dollywood. This is where Brie will be stepping up and making her pumpkin, or as we said, they also have a number of different ornaments that you can make, a number of different colors. So you can pick out what color you want. Let me show you how this works.
It is ages 6 and up, and it does cost $49.99. There are no discounts that apply, like a diamond or gold pass holder.
So they list out all of the different steps up here. We're going to be showing you each step of the process as we work with one of their craftsmen to make a pumpkin in just a little bit. So here's a look at the classic orange pumpkin that Brie could make, or they have some fun different color styles.
So we did just confirm you can actually come and make a glass blown pumpkin any time of year.
These are some bigger ones that a craftsman made. You'd be making one at this size. So whether you want to do a pumpkin or a Christmas ornament, you just need to come up to the cashier here and let them know you want to sign up. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and get Brie signed up to do. Here's kind of a yellow and green one. We got to figure out what color you're going to do, Brie. I'm thinking classic orange.
I think classic orange. And thankfully, it's not too busy today. So it's $49.99. With tax, it comes to $54.86. There are no diamond or pass holder discounts you can use on it. So we paid for our pumpkin. I have my receipt that I will bring back at my time slot, which is 12:30. They say it only takes maybe 10 minutes to make your pumpkin, but you do have to wait at least 2 to 2.5 hours for it to harden and dry. And they will actually bring it up front to the Emporium. I just give them my slip. You walk into the Emporium, it's off to the left, and you bring your pickup slip over there, and you can get your pumpkin or whatever ornament you made to take home at the end of the day. So you don't have to carry it around, worry about it breaking or anything like that. One other option they do have is if you don't want to take it with you, whether it be in the car, on a flight, they can actually ship it directly to your home. So the shipping is going to just vary on where it's going. It's going to be whatever the UPS rate is to ship it to you.
Now that Brie is all signed up and excited to go, we're just waiting about another 5 minutes to meet the craftsman over here. And again, we've come over many times and went to sign up, and they're like, sorry, we're completely full today.
So typically they do fill up by 11 a.m., but fortunately today we were able to sign up, and I'm excited to do this.
I'm excited for you, so we're going to show you the process of blowing glass. So exciting.
It is.
Maybe I'll put some very, upbeat music, speed up the process. They said it takes about 10 minutes.
Your excitement level is nowhere near mine.
I know you've been wanting to do this. I'm excited for you.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, Brie. In the words of Rafiki, it is time.
First thing that you do is pick out your colors, and these are where the colors are. So we have already mixed up ones, which are represented by these 8 ornaments.
Okay.
And then we have colors that are just not mixed. For the base of the pumpkin, you can either pick one from the mixed side or up to 3 colors from the other side to make your own mix.
Okay.
After you
Okay.
choose that, you'll choose the color for the stem. And that can be any one of these except for that striped one on the bottom.
Okay. I saw one in the store I liked, so I took a picture. Is this like that color, you think?
That one is actually probably close to number 16.
Okay.
And then there's something sprayed on it that we don't have.
Well, I actually really like this one.
Okay,
So I think that for the pumpkin.
just the one color?
I mean, this one is just its own mix, is what you're saying?
Yeah. And that's the thing about the mixes, they have a lot of colors in them, but I can't really change them.
Right, right. I mean, if I mix these two, it would kind of give a similar mix look.
Similar, yeah.
Yeah. Let's do those two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what color would you like the stem to be?
I'll just go with the classic green.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm a purist.
Alright. This is a mouthpiece. You can go ahead and unwrap it.
Okay.
It's going to fit in this hose.
Is that your Aaron to Moses, your mouthpiece?
Yeah.
All right.
He's mixing the color up right now.
When you're making colored glass, you have your raw materials, which are silica, soda, and lime powder. And to that, you add little trace elements of metal. And metals change the color of glass. So the reddish color is selenium,
Okay.
and the orangish is selenium and cadmium.
Okay.
So colors are made one at a time and then drawn out. We usually get them in this form or in long bars, and we can use them from there. I'm going to get a little bit of hot glass out of the oven,
Okay.
and I roll it across the color. The color will stick to it.
Okay.
Melt it in a little bit. I'll do a little bit of shaping.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll sit down there. I'll let you know when to start blowing.
Okay.
You want to blow soft at first, kind of like you're going to whistle,
Okay.
and then I'll let you know when to blow harder or softer, stop, start, anything like that.
Okay. So the 2100 is the temperature of the glass. They keep it at that 24 hours a day. If they let it cool off,
Glass that we melt in the furnace.
this is
Colored
clear glass,
will stick to it.
sticking to the color. 2100 degrees. If they let it cool off, then they'd have to spend the whole next day warming it up. So they just keep it running 24/7.
I'm going to shape it a little bit. It's going to go back into the oven to heat again.
So they can only work with it about 30 seconds, then it has to go back in the oven to get back up to that right temperature. If it cools too much, then that's it.
We're going to put the ribs into it using what we call an optic mold. So it's sort of like a stamp.
Okay.
Stamp those ribs right in. Moves up to it. And you're ready. Go ahead and blow softly. So as you can see, it's starting to grow. Keep blowing. I'll blow harder. Keep blowing. Blow really hard. Stop there. Take a breath. And blow really hard again. And stop. Okay. I'm going to heat it up a little more. And we'll come back and start over. I'll
Okay.
make it again.
Looking good. It's pretty warm over here.
Okay, go ahead and start blowing pretty hard. Keep blowing. Stop. We're going to do that again. I'm going to heat it up a little bit.
This is not the job for me.
I used to have to do this thing for my annual physical as a firefighter. We had to just blow, 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 blow forever.
Oh, really?
I hated it. It was the worst part of the physical.
All right, blow really hard. Keep blowing. Stop there. That's good. Good size. But next I'm going to put the stem on. You can see how dark it is.
Yeah.
It'll get a little bit lighter.
Okay. He did say that it starts off dark, but as it cools, over time, it will be lighter and brighter.
Right, this will be the set. Okay, it's still very hot, but you don't want to touch it or anything.
Uh-huh. That
The
looks,
colors will get a lot brighter as it cools down more.
that looks
Still like about 1,000 degrees right now.
still 1,000. Have you
Yeah.
ever burnt yourself?
Well, of course.
Yeah.
Never trust a glass door without the end.
Yeah.
When we're done with something, just like that 30-second rule,
Yeah.
we'll only have about a minute with it. If we go beyond that minute, usually it'll break.
Okay.
Sometimes even less.
Okay.
So we'll put it into the top of the oven, which is right around 1,100 degrees.
Okay.
And at the other end of that long chute, it's about 200.
Okay.
And I'll move it through, but very slowly.
Okay.
Take me
So,
about 2 hours to move it through. There.
oh, okay. So just gently cools down as it goes through.
Yes.
Okay.
It's all about making things cool off pretty evenly.
Right. Right.
If you have different areas that are different temperatures, they'll kind of separate, bust apart.
Okay. Very good.
So we'll do that for you.
Okay.
It goes down to the Emporium later today. You
Okay.
know where that is?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll be there a little bit later when you go home.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let me take that off and
Yeah, you can toss it in that
thank you.
bucket there.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, have a great day.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Well, Brie, was it everything you hoped and dreamed to come make a pumpkin here at Dollywood?
Yes. Yes, it was, and more. I love learning about how things work, and he was so good at telling me every step of the way, all the things about how the glass is made and how you have to work with it. And he was great. I really enjoyed that. I'm excited to have my pumpkin. I'm excited to put it up on the mantle in the fall. And yeah, it was awesome. Thanks for letting me do it. At the end there, he did say when he held the pumpkin up, the colors are going to look darker right away, but then as it cools down, they will become lighter and brighter. So when we go pick it up in the Emporium, it will be bright and beautiful. And he also let me know at the end, he let us see it, but then he brought it over to, it's actually like a conveyor belt oven, 1,100 degrees, and it just very, very slowly cools it down. It takes actually 2 hours for your glass ornament or pumpkin to cool down. So that's why you can't take it right away. You have to wait a while. So I'm excited to see what it looks like and how beautiful it is. And I loved it.
So we're going to enjoy our time at Dollywood for a little bit, and we'll show you exactly where you pick it up, and we'll show you the final result of what Brie was working on.
We just checked on my pumpkin. He said it's still about 200 degrees, almost to the end of that oven that cools it down. So he said come back in about 10 minutes, it'll be ready.
I'm excited to see the final result.
So am I.
So, Brie, your final project is complete. What do you think of it?
I love it. It's beautiful. It's still hot in my hand, which is pretty cool. I can't wait to put it on the mantle. It's just fantastic. What do you think?
I am blown away. You did a really good job. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
And you also have a little certificate they give you.
Yes, they gave me a certificate of authenticity.
But that is a look at the pumpkin. You can do the same process and end up with a Christmas ornament.
I think it was a fantastic experience. Chris was great. He was very informative, so I learned a lot about glass blowing along the way. And I get to take home a beautiful piece of glass that we'll enjoy for many years to come. That's going to wrap up our video of making a glass pumpkin here at Dollywood. If you found this video helpful, just go ahead and give us a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Oh wait, the video's not over. We made it to the car and we forgot to show you the Emporium is where you pick it up. So if you're busy throughout the day and you want to go back to doing stuff at Dollywood and get it on your way out, maybe at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock when you're leaving the park, you're going to want to go to the main store, the Emporium, and look for the package pickup area. I think you did a great job.
Thanks.
Again, I'm blown away by how nice this turned out. So we're gonna go home, find a spot to put this up on maybe the fireplace, enjoy it for the rest of the year, and well, maybe we'll take it down for Christmas. I don't know. Yeah, at least the rest of the fall. So
Yeah.
But that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure.